In today's fast-paced world, finding kitchen gadgets that can help streamline meal preparation without compromising on quality is essential. This Mueller Immersion Blender Handheld is one such tool, designed to make your cooking experience more efficient and enjoyable. With its 8-speed settings, stainless steel construction, and versatile 3-in-1 functionality, this immersion blender is a great addition to any kitchen. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or purees, the Mueller Immersion Blender promises to deliver smooth and consistent results every time. One of the standout features of the Mueller Immersion Blender is its powerful 500-watt motor. This motor provides enough torque to blend even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're working with frozen fruits for a smoothie or making a thick, creamy soup, this blender handles it all without breaking a sweat. For those moments when you need an extra boost of power, the blender also includes a turbo mode. This mode increases the blending speed and power, helping you achieve the desired texture in less time. The combination of variable speeds and turbo power makes this blender highly versatile, capable of handling a wide range of kitchen tasks. What sets the Mueller Immersion Blender apart from many other hand blenders is its 3-in-1 functionality. The blender comes with 3 detachable accessories: a blending shaft, a frother, and a whisk. 1 blending shaft. The stainless steel blending shaft is perfect for making smoothies, soups, sauces, and baby food. Its slim design allows you to blend directly in pots, bowls, or cups, reducing the need for additional containers and making cleanup a breeze. 2. Frother. The frother attachment is ideal for creating rich, creamy froth for your coffee, hot chocolate, or milkshakes. It works well with all types of milk, including almond, soy, and dairy, making it a great tool for coffee enthusiasts who enjoy barista-quality drinks at home. 3. Whisk. The whisk attachment is perfect for whipping cream, beating eggs, or mixing batters. Whether you're making fluffy pancakes, whipping up a quick dessert, or preparing a meringue, the whisk attachment makes these tasks quick and easy. This versatility means you can replace multiple kitchen gadgets with just one tool, saving both space and money. The Mueller Immersion Blender's ability to perform various tasks with different attachments makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, especially for those who love experimenting with different recipes. The design of the Mueller Immersion Blender is both functional and user-friendly. The blender features an ergonomic grip with a non-slip handle, ensuring that you have a comfortable and secure hold while blending. This design minimizes hand fatigue, even during extended use, making it easier to tackle large batches or multiple recipes in one go. One of the biggest advantages of the Mueller Immersion Blender is how easy it is to clean. All the detachable accessories, the blending shaft, frother, and whisk, are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. For those who prefer hand washing, the accessories can be easily rinsed under running water. The motor unit should never be submerged in water, but it can be wiped clean with a damp cloth if needed. This easy maintenance ensures that you can enjoy the benefits of a powerful, versatile blender without the added chore of difficult cleanup. The durability of the stainless steel components also means that the blender will maintain its quality over time, even with regular use. The Mueller Immersion Blender is built to last, featuring a stainless steel construction that ensures durability and longevity. The blending shaft and attachments are designed to withstand regular use without rusting or corroding, making this blender a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. The high-quality materials used in the construction of this blender not only contribute to its durability, but also enhance its overall performance. The stainless steel blades, for instance, are designed to stay sharp and resist dulling, ensuring that you get the same great results every time you use the blender. When it comes to kitchen appliances, finding a product that offers great value for money is always a priority. The Mueller Immersion Blender Handheld delivers on this front by offering a powerful motor, versatile attachments, and a durable design at an affordable price. The ability to replace multiple kitchen gadgets with just one tool also adds to its value, making it a smart investment for any home cook. Additionally, the blender's compact design makes it easy to store, even in kitchens with limited space. The detachable accessories can be neatly packed away, and the blender itself can be stored in a drawer or cabinet without taking up much room. In conclusion, the Mueller Immersion Blender Handheld is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly kitchen tool that offers excellent value for money. Its 3-in-1 functionality, combined with the powerful 500-watt motor and 8-speed settings, makes it suitable for a wide range of kitchen tasks, from blending smoothies and soups to frothing milk and whipping cream. The ergonomic design and easy operation make it accessible to both novice and experienced cooks, while the durable stainless steel construction ensures that it will stand the test of time. Whether you're looking to simplify your meal prep, try out new recipes, or just enjoy a well-made smoothie, the Mueller Immersion Blender is a tool that can help you achieve great results with minimal effort. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.